Hello everyone, today I'm going to review a very budget-friendly Pancake lens from TTArtisan, the 50mm f2 manual lens on the Fujifilm X-T5. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Andrei Dima. I'm a professional travel photographer and I run this Fujifilm channel, so for more content like this, please subscribe. Who doesn't love Pancake lenses? They are so easy to travel with, go out, shoot without getting too much attention, and some look really good on a camera. Fujifilm really needs to make more Pancake lenses. The biggest advantage of this lens is its price. At the moment of this recording, the lens is $50. I don't think I know a lens cheaper than that new. But is it any good? Let's find out. Like almost all TTArtisan manual lenses, this one is very well built. It is all metal and glass. It has an aperture ring with clicks that is very well dampened, and a super easy to use focus ring that turns smoothly. It has no electronic contacts, so no EXIF data. It has 10 diaphragm blades and the lens structure is 6 elements in 5 groups. The lens weighs around 200 grams depending on the mount the lens is for. For the Fujifilm X it is 190 grams. The filter thread is 43mm. It comes with a screw-on cap like most TTArtisan lenses. Some people like these, I personally don't, but it fits the retro design of the lens. Speaking about design, it is a nice looking lens. It has a nice smooth black finish with white engraved markings. I have to admit there are some TTArtisan lenses that look very nice on Fujifilm cameras, and this one is one of them. The lens minimum focus distance is 50 cm. Most 50mm lenses for Fujifilm X have a minimum focus distance of around 40 cm. 50 cm is just okay. This lens, sadly for videomakers that want a small vintage lens, has quite a bit of focus breathing, as you can see here. But you can still use this lens for video. At f2 it gives a nice dreamy look and f2 is bright enough for low light footage. And if you have a camera with IBIS, things are going to be even easier. When it comes to minimum focus distance, the lens performs decent at f2. And it looks good at f2.8, and it is sharp at f4. Keep in mind I am reviewing this lens on the demanding 40 megapixel sensor of the Fujifilm X-T5. The bokeh of this lens looks nice. Yes, you get some purple fringing at f2 and some longitudinal aberrations, but if you stop down to f2.8, they go away. The image quality of this lens is decent at f2 on the X-T5. It is going to perform better on a lower resolution sensor, and for the price I think it is okay. Stopping down to f2.8 improves the overall image, giving you more details and contrast in the middle of the frame. Stop this lens down to f4 and the sharpness is very good in the center, but the corners still lack a bit of contrast, and at f5.6 this lens is sharp corner to corner. A good performance for a $50 lens on a 40 megapixel sensor. I love reviewing these budget lenses. Overall, I would buy this lens just because it is cheap and small. The image quality is decent with a bit of character. You get plenty of sharpness if you stop down a bit. The design and build quality are great. What would you like more for the price? If this video was helpful, please subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. If you want to support the channel even more, use the links in the description. See you next time.